Good morning children. This is our grammar video. Take your grammar book, open the book page number 10. First recall the previous class answers. Previous class we are learned the tag question 6 to 10. I gave the homework. See that 6th one want you, 7th one doesn't see, 8th one haven't they, 9th one doesn't see, 10th one don't they. Okay, you check it in your grammar book and see the 6th one want they, 7th one isn't it, 8th one shall we, 9th one can they, 10th one don't you. Okay, see the next homework. First one declarative sentence, second one imperative, third one interrogative, fourth one exclamatory sentence. Now we are going to learn about the articles. Okay, open the book page number 12. Articles means there are two types of articles: indefinitive article, definitive article. Indefinitive article a and definitive article the. We use a with singular nouns. Okay, singular nouns we use the a which begin with consonant sound. See there, B, C, there are also consonant. There are 21 consonants. Okay, we use an with singular noun. An also singular noun, but begin with vowel sound. See the vowels letter A, E, I, O, U. How many vowels letter? 5 vowels letter. What are they means? A, E, I, O, U. See the tick the right option. My father is dash expert in driving. See there, begin the vowels letter. So, an. Can you turn on dash radio, please? The radio. See there, they also definitive article. See the grammar point ma. The word the is called the definitive article. It is used for singular and plural nouns. Okay, the is used for singular and plural, but a and an used for a singular noun only. When referring to a particular noun and unique things, only one of its kind. The sun, example for the sun, earth. Okay, universe, that also unique, only one of its kind. Next one, the whole class, newspaper, direction, and some countries, UK, USA. So next, before the name of the river, sea, ocean, group of Iceland, movement, and also adjectives. Next, ordinal number. Next, times of the day. Next, police department. That is the some organization. We use the. Okay. Can you turn on dash radio, please? The radio, please. He works in army. Okay. See the. Can I ask you dash question? Okay, singular. So we use the a. I usually have dash breakfast at 7. Okay. Here no need article. Why means see the grammar point ma. No need articles, the names of meals. So here no need the articles the. இங்கே வந்து எந்த விதமான ஆர்டிகல்ஸுமே வந்து ரைட் பண்ண முடியாது. ஸோ நோ ஆர்டிக்கல். டேஸ் இங்கிலீஷ் ட்ரிங்க் எ லாட் ஆஃப் டீ. த இங்கிலீஷ் ட்ரிங்க் எ லாட் ஆஃப் டீ. தட் இஸ் த இங்கிலீஷ் specific the particular subject. So the it takes a dash hour to reach home. See there, hour is the begin the consonant letter, but the sound is vowel sound. So an. 8th one dash Statue of Liberty is in New York. Okay, here mention the particular place. So the I saw dash otter at the zoo. See the otter, vowels letter, begin the vowels letter, so you put the an. People say he is dash honest person. Okay, here also same. H is the silent. Okay, honest, that is the vowel sound. So an. Next, fill in the blanks with suitable articles. I like dash blue dress better than dash red one. I like the blue dress better than the red one. Nehru is learning to play dash violin. That is the instrument. Okay, one of the music instruments. So the Mumbai has dash largest population in India. See there, that is the superlative. So here write the. The enemy shot down. The enemy shoot down the US fighter plane. That is the US. So the. We went to visit dash Eiffel Tower in Paris. The. Would you like dash egg sandwich? See there, waltz letter. So an. What is dash time now? What is the time now? Okay, suddenly that way ask. So you write the. Open dash door close. Open the door. Ravi meet with dash accident last week. See the accident behind the waltz letter. So write the an. Dash moon looks really beautiful today. Moon is the only one of its kind. So the. Identify the error in the following. First one, David goes to the school in uniform. இதில் error என்னம்மா? What is the error of this sentence? Yes, the. Why means is regular place to visit. So don't article before it. Okay, ஸ்கூலுக்கு வந்து நம்ம ரெகுலராக தான் போவோம். Okay, the regular placeக்கு don't use the article. So I strike out it. Okay, David goes to school in uniform. Okay, second one, clothes in the shop are really fashionable. Okay, clothes refers to a particular ones in a shop. Okay, இங்கே வந்து பர்டிகுலராக ஒரே ஒரு ஷாப்பை தான் என்ன செஞ்சுருக்காங்க, மென்ஷன் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ ஹியர் ரைட் த ஆர்டிகல்ஸ். ஓகேவா? Third one, I am going to have an shower. Okay, here in the nounல வந்து shower begins with consonant sound. Okay, shower. Okay, so an is the wrong. With suitable article is a. Okay, so that one is error. So strike out, here write the a. Children like the sweets. Sweet is the uncountable noun. Okay, next fifth one, Nile is in the Egypt. Nile is the river, Egypt also country. So the Nile is in the Egypt. Okay, இங்கே கண்டிப்பாக theன்ற article வரணும். So that sentence error இருக்கு. So here write the. Sixth one, how far is sun from earth? Okay, sun and earth also only one of its kind. So here write the article the. Seventh one, what is capital of India? Okay, here mention the particular country. So here write the article the. Okay, turn the page. Mom put the sandwich in oven. Here having the waltz letter. So A is the wrong one. Here write the an. I like English. I don't like maths. Okay, இங்கே வந்து பர்டிகுலராக ஒரு சப்ஜெக்ட் தான் மென்ஷன் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க. சப்ஜெக்ட்டுக்கு என்னது தன்ற ஆர்டிக்கல் எதுவுமே வராது. ஸோ தட் இஸ் த எரர் ஆஃப் திஸ் சென்டென்ஸ். ஸோ யூ cross it. The 10th one, is there university in your town? Okay, university, that is the beginning the waltz letter, but the sound is consonant sound. So here write the a. Okay, okay ma, I will meet next video. Thank you.